Have you noticed that people are making money with AI? The truth is simple. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to know how to use AI the right way. AI can help you create videos, write content, build websites, design graphics, and even create apps in minutes instead of days. The people who learn AI today will have a huge advantage tomorrow. Don't be afraid of AI. Learn it, practice it, use it every single day. Remember this, AI will not replace you, but someone who knows how to use AI might. So start today, learn one new AI tool, build one project, help one client. Your first income could be closer than you think. The future belongs to those who learn AI. Will you be one of them?